All right, so now we have a new problem called group anagrams. So inside group anagrams, what we have to do is that we have to see if there are n number of anagrams and we have to group if they are anagrams. So let's say if there are five anagrams, like five uh, strings, like in a collection, and we see that out of this, there are three strings that are anagram to each other, and there are two remaining strings that are anagram to each other, then we will make two different collection and we will push that inside a sub-array. So this is what we have to do, right? And this is what example one says, right? So concept here is that anagrams have or anagrams, if we want to check for anagrams, we can check if they are same when sorted, right? So if we sort it out, we can see if if two string are same or not, right? So what we will do here is that first iterate through, okay, first will be create a new array to iterate through given array. So here given array is, let's call it uh, strs, right? I mean array strs. Okay. Third, sort it and check if they are if they exist in new array, right? We will sort it and if we will check that is it exists in new array, right? So we may not need to store this the sorted path. If it does not exist, create a new subarray or store it in subarray which is same as this string. Store a subarray which has element same as this string. Okay. So what we can do is here, firstly we will create a new array, new strs equals this, right? For i for I in strs. Now what we have to do is we will check if so here what we can do is one thing that okay we are checking that whether okay, so one more thing is we can also create a hash map, right? Hash map. Okay, so what we will do is we will insert the sorted array in hash map just to know that we have such kind of subarray, something like that. Or we can create a more technical structure, as in inside a subarray. So we will remove this concept altogether and we will have a hash map, right? Where key is sorted string and value is array for this uh, key, right? We can do this. So create a new hash map, I will say, right? Iterate through given array strings, sort it, and check if it exists in new hash map, right? If it does not exist, create a new entry in hash map as new array as value and original string inside it, inside array, right? So I'm thinking something like that, or store it in subarray. So no, we don't have to do this. If it exists, then append it in value of key, right? So I'm thinking something like this. If we have two strings, anagram and nagaram, right? So what will happen is we will have something sorted as this as key. For example, A, A, G, A, G, M, R, right? As this anagram and NAGA, nagara, something like this, right? So we can, in the end, print out the values of this hash map as the answer, right? Not any key. So this happened. Now, what we will do is that if we have this hash map, right? So we will if check if mm, so I will just store sorted I equals sorted I if sorted I in hash map, right? If it exists, then hash map sorted I. I will remove this. Sorted I dot append. I will append I else hash map sorted I equals place and hash map sorted I dot append mm, I. In the end, what I will do is I will return hash map dot values, and I think this should do the job. Sorted I. Okay, so this is the list right now. Dot join. I will do something like this. Right. So if I do print, and if I do this, 88. So we will check. Eat 8, eat, t, net, 10, bet. Yeah, it is correct. Right. Our approach was correct. But it's array inside of array. Right. So hash map dot values. If I do something like this, let's see. No. Dot values. If I do list, what happens? Yes. Now it's correct. Okay. So what I will do is I'll just copy it and paste it here. And answer I can give return in any order. Okay. So I created a hash map. Okay. Cool. Okay. So hold on it. Is it accepted? And if I submit it, yeah, it's accepted and it's good. So the hash map worked here and it's a good solution. It's beating 92.76%. Great. Thank you for watching this video so far.